Hi everyone, this is Sharon Johnson from rawandawesome.com. I am so excited to be here with you today. If you like this series, please subscribe. Today I am doing an unboxing video for Trunk Club. This is my first delivery. One of the reasons why I decided to do this for Raw and Awesome is I am actually trying to move more into fashionable. This is what I wore to work today, y'all. I need some help. When you first go to the website, you have a questionnaire that you fill out. So you fill out information about, you know, the size of clothes that you want, the type of clothes, whether it's, you know, classic clothes, traditional clothes, you know, bohemian, or, you know, so different styles of clothes that are out there. I'm so not into, you know, the fashion world, so a lot of it was kind of new to me. I had to look up some of the styles. It also asks you what kind of stores do you usually shop at. So whether that's Nordstrom's or H&M or Target or TJ Maxx. There's several different stores that are on there. After that, you actually get set up with your own pre-stylist. So you have someone that walks you through a series of questions. The questions take about 15 minutes in a chat session within the app, or they could email you the information and you could just take your time and fill out the information and email it back. I decided to go ahead and get the email of the questions and then do a chat session. That way I could think about my questions, but during a chat session I could also ask questions. He just asked me about my style, what I was looking for, you know, am I looking for this to be for, you know, the night out on town, or am I looking for it to, you know, is this for work? What are some of the things that I like to do? So that way they could really customize my style and look, and it'll, you know, not only go along with my personality, but it'll match where I'm going out to. So I thought that was really kind of cool. After they do that quick, you know, 15-minute check with you, they actually assign you your stylist that you will be having on your journey with Trunk Club. So I was introduced to my stylist, and what I was really excited about was my stylist is actually vegan. So she actually is in that lifestyle. She knows about clothes. She knows to, you know, find clothes that don't have silk or wool and those things. And, you know, she actually tried to get me a vegan purse, but the purse was out of stock. So I'm really curious to see, you know, what's in here, and if she was able to stick to, you know, some of the things that we discussed. And but I really enjoyed it. So here we go. I totally thought this box was cute because it is a trunk, and I thought that was so awesome. So all right, so I have to turn it over on the side like that and open it up. Let's see what we have in here. Oh wow. So we actually have some clothes on hangers. One thing that I don't know if you know about Trunk Club, but all of their clothes comes from Nordstrom. So even on the return label, it shows that this was shipped from Nordstrom. So all of the clothes should be very high quality clothes. Not a lot of polyester that you see on some of those online. So you're gonna pay a difference. It's not gonna be the same as a lot of those apps that are out there. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so I have a shirt here, I have a jacket. It looks like I have more shirts right here. I have a pair of pants that are right here. What else do we have in here? Oh, we got 2 pairs of shoes. Oh, and by the way, they do give you a preview of what they're gonna send you. So you get up to 12 items, and your stylist can pick all those items for you, and you could also decline the items if you don't want it, or if you don't like the style, or maybe it's something that you already have. You can ask them to fill your box with replacements, or you could actually go in and you could, if you know that you went on the Nordstrom website or app and you saw a pair of shoes or a shirt or accessories that you like, you could actually request those to be sent to you. So I thought that was really cool. So look at this. I'm so loving this. Can you see? I can't tell. Okay. It says Style Comfort Vegan. Love it. Gosh, I just love it when somebody knows how to work with you. All right, so here's my box. I'm going to put these down, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see everything. But what I will do next is I will actually just start looking through these things, bagging them, and I'll make sure to take some close-ups. All right, so I decided I wanted you to see a little bit more of the unboxing and just me taking everything out of the packaging. So we'll start with the shoes. You know, like I said, these say Style Comfort Vegan. And let's see what we got here. Never been out of the box before, I could tell. Completely new. And all right, these are interesting. I have to see my thoughts on it. One of the things that I asked my stylist to do is to pick things that I might not necessarily usually do for myself. I usually do very generic clothes that I know that don't necessarily draw a lot of attention, so people aren't like, didn't you wear that 2 weeks ago? They wouldn't know because it's so plain and simple. Like this, people will be like, you've been wearing those every day for the past 2 weeks. But you know, I want to try something different and just really get out of my comfort zone because I really want to step it up a notch. So here's one pair of shoes. Another pair of shoes. These also say, let me show you real quick if you can see. It's kind of hard with the reflection. Ivory faux leather. So another shoe that's not leather. Let's take a look at these. See if these are kind of summertime too. So the same thing, new, out of the box. Not shoes that somebody tried on that, you know, Nordstrom sent. Oh, cute. So, okay, some sandals, cute, nice for the summer. One thing about the stylist, so there is a styling fee. There's a $25 styling fee for every time you do a shipment. And I believe the shipments are maybe 1, 2, and 3 months. I'll definitely make sure to put the information below. And that styling fee will go towards your purchase. And also, if you have a Nordstrom's card, then they waive the styling fee. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I'm actually kind of tempted to get a Nordstrom card just so I could waive the styling fee. And that way I can keep getting clothes over and over and over. You also get a chance to really put in your price budget for clothes. So you can do a range, like if you want your shirts to be, you know, as cheap as possible, or between 50 and 100 bucks, between 100 and 150 bucks. You know, I think it's $50 increments. For the most part, I had everything like as the lowest as possible. Also, you could decide whether or not you want to focus on, you know, tops or skirts or, you know, jackets and things like that. And, you know, you get a chance to preview. That's one of the things I really like about this is you get a chance to preview what you're getting before they send it to you. All right, let's see all of these goodies. So let's start with this, what's in this bag. Okay, so I'll have to open this up. Oh, cute. So this is a cute little shirt. It has a tie in the front. So I can't wait to try that on and see what that looks like. Oh gosh, I had to open those up last. I'm so excited about them, but they are like so out of my price budget. But I'm like really curious to see what they look like. And I'm just hoping that it's something that I just hate because they're so out of my price budget, my range that I want. Oh, a jumpsuit. I forgot about that. I'm really excited about jumpsuits because I actually am really into jumpsuits right now. I'm trying to see where the front is. Let's see here. That's the front, so it must kind of have like a crisscross kind of top. Yeah, crisscross for the arms. So it looks a little bit like that. And it's, you know, just the pants and everything. So I'm really excited to try that on as well. All right, here's another shirt. I'm also in between sizes, so I'm really curious on how these are gonna fit and how they'll look over time as I lose my weight, y'all. Ooh, there's a tie on this. So this is a side tie shirt. So it's definitely colorful, it has flowers. I told them that I wanted a little bit of a bohemian look, not too much. So flowers are a little bit more than what I usually do, but I'm curious to see what that's gonna look like on. And like I said, that was my whole focus, was for me to just come out of my comfort zone and really see what will match and go with me for in the future. One of the other things that I mentioned is I really want some basics in my closet. You know, I have a lot of just plain things, but I wanted to make sure like I had a blazer, I wanted to make sure I had pants, I wanted to make sure I had some shoes, and just pieces that I could really kind of put together and dress up or dress down and just be a little bit more fluid and flexible. Oh, a dress. Very cute. I hardly ever wear dresses. I don't look for them and I don't know what to pick out for myself. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to look on me. Let's see, will you still be able to see that right here? Yep. All right. So here's one of the jackets that I'll be trying. I did ask for clothes that I could wear to work. All of these clothes are really, really great quality. I mean, this jacket is so heavy and thick. I mean, you can tell that it's double lined, and it's just, make sure. So I got makeup on, so no, I'm good, I'm good.
but it looks really nice and heavy and comfortable. I'll definitely be able to wear it during the winter time if I choose to get it. It's mainly cotton. It does have some polyester lining and a little bit of spandex, but it's mostly cotton. But it's really heavy and really nice. I'm actually gonna try it on with this shirt that I have on now. How about that? Try that real quick. What do you think, you all? It's nice? Is it nice? What do you think? Is it nice? Okay. All right, let me stop kidding around. I'm trying to keep this really quick. All right, so I have 3 more things open. Like I said, I got 4 more things open. Like I mentioned, I got 11 things that I needed to unbox today. So that's the other thing. I just love that you're able to try a lot of items on. I don't know about you, but when I go to the stores in, you know, brick and mortar stores, I have to try on several things to find something that I like. So for me to be able to try several things at the comfort of my home is really, really nice. Oh, this is almost like the same, right? Totally my style. Just doesn't have sleeves, but this is totally my style. So I can't wait to try that on as well. All right, going on to the next thing. Here is a jacket. Oh, wow. Wow, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? All right, gotta try that on real quick too. Gosh, this double line, nice and heavy jacket. It's definitely has some spandex. It stretches out. Super comfortable, super soft. I'm wondering if this one might be a little bit smaller than I need, but I'll try it and find out with some of the paired suggestions. Also, they send you different suggestions for your pieces. So a lot of my pieces, they definitely made it where you can make 3 outfits out of 1 or 2 pieces. And I really think that that's pretty cool. Because for me, it's like I want to get as much bang out of the clothes as possible. I want to wear it with different, you know, shirts or different shoes and things like that. So these are some linen pants. So those are nice. I think that will look really good at work. Look. All right. And then the last pair of pants. These are called paper bag pants. Paper bag white runner denim white pants. I had never heard of this before, but I thought it was really cool, and I'm really curious about how it'll look, and hopefully you'll get a chance to see it. If it fits all right for me, you'll definitely see me with it on. But I thought these were really interesting. The waist is a little bit different than what you usually see. It might be too bright with this light on. Since it's white, but I thought it was kind of cool and interesting, so I'm really how it'll look. I'll look and see what their suggestions are for what I should pair this with shoes and everything. But that's my 11 pieces. Be back soon. Thank you for joining me on my first unboxing video with Trunk Club. Which piece do you like the most? I think for me, I like the jumpsuit. It's really cute, and I could just, you know, I like that I could put a jacket on it and I could wear it to work, and then I could just go out at night and just take the jacket off and just have my arms out, a little bit of my back out. So I think that might be a winner for me. A couple other pieces that I like. I really do like this jacket. The shoes I actually kind of do like. I don't know if I'll get them, but I do like them. This red shirt that ties on the side, I definitely like that. The shirt that had the flowers had a little bit too much cleavage, so what I get a chance to do is I'll get a chance to send this back to Trunk Club with absolutely no shipping fees or anything, and they'll just either exchange it for a different size if I wish, or they'll just replace it with another item in my next trunk. Anyway, please subscribe, look and see what I'm wearing next and what I'm eating and what I'm drinking and all things good. Talk to you soon. Laters.